Today we're hunting down water leaks. We got quite a bit of rain here recently, and I'm finding some issues with windows that are leaking water in, which we don't like, so we are working on that. Yeah, exciting stuff. So we got the window on this side done already. Basically I just ran some sealant along the edges. There's an outer frame that you just take off with some screws. Nice and easy. I did silicone these once before, but it's been a long time and they were due. So that one's done, and we will start the other side. And just like that, we got the frame off the window. Going to do some inspection and find out if there's any holes. This window was not as bad as the other side, but I figured while I'm here I might as well check this one out too. There's a good example of a gap right there. Obviously I did not do the best job of siliconing that the first time around. Either that or the gap developed on its own. So we're going to fill it in and it'll all be good. Another decent sized gap there. I wouldn't be surprised if water's been leaking through there. You can kind of see some dirt on the fiberglass there, so wouldn't be surprised. Fill that in and be good as new. Awesome, so I've gone around and filled all the obvious gaps on this window. One other thing I'm going to do is fill in all the screw holes with silicone as well. Something I didn't do the last time and something I'm going to be doing this time. So hopefully that will solve some issues as well. There we go, and we're all set to throw our frame back on the window. Installation is the reverse of removal. And just like that, it is put back together and sealed up nicely. Hopefully it doesn't leak anymore, otherwise I'm going to have a wet bed. I don't remember if I mentioned this before, but this is a Raider canopy, and it's one of the high tops, obviously, which is perfect for getting in and out. Here's my sticker collection. So we fixed the windows tonight. You can see it's kind of raining right now, so we'll see how that holds up. And yeah, there should be a couple more interesting videos coming up here pretty soon, so stay tuned for those.